Think about the last time you tried to buy something custom online. A piece of furniture, a piece of equipment, a product with 100 different options and configurations, and you had no idea what it was actually going to look like until it showed up at your door. Or worse, you had to email back and forth with a sales rep for 3 days just to get a price. That disconnect between what a customer imagines and what they actually receive is one of the biggest friction points in modern commerce. And it costs businesses millions every year in returns, errors, and abandoned carts. What if there was a smarter way? Welcome back to the Next Biz Thing. I'm Markus J. Diplama, and every week on this show, we go inside the businesses that are rewriting the rules of their industries. The ones solving problems that have been sitting in plain sight for years, and doing it with technology, vision, and a genuine commitment to making things work better for everyone. Today, we are heading into the world of product configuration and digital commerce, and the company we're spotlighting is one that I believe is building something truly significant. I'm talking about Konfigear. Based in Gijón, Spain, in the heart of the Parque Científico Tecnológico, Konfigear is an all-in-one 3D product configurator and CPQ platform. CPQ, for anyone unfamiliar, stands for Configure, Price, Quote, and it represents one of the most critical and historically painful parts of the sales process for businesses that sell customizable or complex products. Konfigear has built a platform that handles all three of those things in real time and wraps it in an immersive, interactive visual experience that changes the way both sellers and buyers engage with products entirely. Let's unpack what that actually means in practice. When a customer visits a website powered by Konfigear, they don't see a static product photo. They see a living, breathing, three-dimensional representation of the product they're about to buy, and they can customize it in real time. Change the material, swap the color, adjust the dimensions, add or remove components. And with every change they make, the product updates instantly in front of them with photorealistic 3D rendering that reflects realistic materials and textures. It's not a mock-up. It's not a flat illustration. It's the closest thing to holding the product in your hands without physically being in a store. And then there's the augmented reality capability, which takes this experience to another level entirely. Konfigear's Web AR feature, which works on any iOS or Android device without requiring an app download, allows customers to place a configured product directly into their own physical environment. You can see that custom sofa in your living room before you buy it. You can check whether that industrial equipment fits your floor layout. You can visualize a kitchen configuration in your actual kitchen. The bridge between imagination and purchase decision has never been shorter. Now, all of this visual power is impressive on its own, but what makes Konfigear genuinely exceptional is how it combines that visual experience with the operational intelligence that businesses actually need. The platform includes a sophisticated rule-based configurator engine that handles complex modular logic behind the scenes. This means customers can only build valid configurations. The system prevents incompatible options, ensures technical constraints are respected, and guides buyers toward choices that actually work. No more orders that can't be fulfilled. No more misconfigurations that cost time and money to correct. One of Konfigear's clients, Donald Kimberland, a product manager at IPS Industrial Profile Systems, shared that the platform reduced ordering errors by over 80% and significantly improved customer satisfaction at the same time. That is not a small number. In manufacturing environments where a single incorrect order can mean wasted materials, delayed production lines, and frustrated clients, cutting error rates by 80% is transformational. Travis Jordan, the CEO of MT Solar, spoke to the CPQ side of the platform, noting that his sales team could generate accurate quotes in minutes instead of days after implementing Konfigear. In industries where the quoting process is traditionally a slow, manual, back-and-forth exercise involving spreadsheets and emails, the ability to generate an instant, accurate PDF quote directly from a configured product is a genuine competitive advantage. It means faster deal cycles, fewer bottlenecks, and a sales team that can spend its time selling rather than calculating. Konfigear also serves a very specific and growing niche in the custom apparel world through a dedicated module called Konfigear. For brands and manufacturers producing custom sportswear, uniforms, and personalized clothing, Konfigear allows customers to design and visualize their items in real time and then automatically generates production-ready print files on the back end. Johannes Assmann, the CEO of Teamstoff, described Konfigear as a game changer, highlighting specifically how the automated production files save countless hours of manual work. In a world where print-on-demand and custom apparel businesses are scaling rapidly, this kind of automation between the front-end customer experience and the back-end production workflow is exactly what separates scalable operations from ones stuck in manual processes. What also stands out about Konfigear is how thoughtfully it's been built for accessibility, both for businesses and for their customers. The platform features a no-code interface that allows business users to add products, define options, set rules, and manage pricing without writing a single line of code. For companies that have traditionally relied on expensive development resources every time they needed to update a product catalog or add a new configuration option, this is genuinely liberating. Setup for most clients takes between 2 to 6 weeks from onboarding through 3D model setup and branding, which in enterprise software terms is remarkably fast. And when it comes to integration, Konfigear has done the hard work of connecting to the platforms businesses are already using. It works natively with Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, Magento, Zoho, Odoo, and HubSpot, and can also be embedded via iframe or accessed through API for fully custom integrations. The vision is a single connected ecosystem where a customer's configuration in the front end syncs automatically to order processing, invoicing, ERP, and fulfillment on the back end, with no manual data entry, no transcription errors, and no delays. The industries Konfigear serves read like a map of sectors where customization has always been complex and high stakes: automotive, furniture, manufacturing, retail and e-commerce, construction and building, kitchen and bathroom, building materials, custom apparel, and jewelry. These are spaces where the gap between what a customer wants and what they actually receive has historically been wide, and where the cost of miscommunication, whether in returns, rework, or lost trust, is very real. The bigger picture here is about the future of commerce itself. We are living through a fundamental shift in buyer expectations. Customers, whether they're a homeowner choosing a kitchen, a procurement manager specifying industrial components, or an athlete designing a custom kit, increasingly expect to see exactly what they're getting before they commit to buying it. They expect the process to be fast, intuitive, and error-free, and they expect pricing to be transparent and instant. Konfigear is building the infrastructure that makes all of that possible, at scale, for businesses of every size. This is a company that understands that the future of selling complex products isn't about more brochures or longer email threads. It's about giving customers the power to see, configure, and confidently buy. And it's building that future right now from Gijón, with a platform that is already trusted by manufacturers, retailers, and brands across multiple continents. If you're a business owner, a product manager, a sales leader, or an e-commerce operator, and you're still selling configurable products the old way, I want you to look into Konfigear. Request a demo, explore the platform, and imagine what your sales process looks like when your customers can see exactly what they're buying the moment they want it. I'm Markus J. Diplama. This has been the Next Biz Thing. Keep innovating, keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and I will see you on the very next episode.